high. Uh, our 10th grader Vivan was very keen on aerodynamics and aeronautics, and he always wanted to fly planes but did not want to start with paper planes, which was the easily doable in the house. So during one of our homeschooling journeys, he mentioned that I only want to do RC planes, or structurally I want to create planes which look like real and have the mechanisms of real, and I want to fly those. I want to create and fly those. I did set out to start and look for organizations who can help him do that, because I have no knowledge of it, and I couldn't find any in the first 1 year of my search. And then one of the random Google searches did show AEROGO, and I contacted Gautami. Was the first person I think I spoke to, or Jitendra, I don't know, but I did speak to both of them at different points in time, and the courses looked like something that he would enjoy doing, and I don't think I have a different opinion today. He did enjoy it. I have driven more than 120 kilometers every day, I think, to make this possible for him, and we've come here for 3 weeks. I think it was well worth, because he got exposure into a complete hands-on thing which he had not done earlier. All theoretical knowledge is important, and I think more than the course, the whole idea that this is a startup, and it is a startup from fresh engineering graduates, is also inspiring. It's also good for Vivan to have come across this team of absolutely young people with big dreams. I think this exposure is even more important than the hands-on learning that he learned here. So thank you team.